I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Stay tuned. The key to getting a sharp beard lineup is to get the hair to lay down where you will be doing the edge up. So I just take the clipper with the lever fully open and smooth down that area. And then next I'm going to go ahead and shave the head with the trimmer first, and I'm going against the grain to get a closer shave. And the key to minimizing irritation is to let the trimmer glide across the head. You really don't have to apply any pressure. The weight of the trimmer itself will be more than enough pressure to get all of the hair off of the head. The next step is to go ahead and shape the beard with the razor. Now I've already applied shave gel, and I'm going to keep this beard high. He wants to let it grow in as full as possible, so I'm going to stay at the very highest point of his beard. And I'm using the point of the blade like a pencil, so I'm just etching fine hairs. And I'm going to go over this line multiple times to make sure that that line stays in once he goes home and washes his beard. A lot of haircuts on social media look good in that moment, but when they go home and wash their hair or wash off the enhancement, it will look a little different. So I just want the haircut to look the same when he's in the chair versus when he gets out of the chair. Moving on to the actual head shave, this is the most important part, prepping the skin prior to using the razor. I removed all of the loose hair off of his head, and then I applied some pre-shave oil to soften up his skin and make the hair stand up on his head. I massage it in really well, and then next comes the hot towel. Make sure the towel is not too hot before you wrap it around the head, and then secure it in the front by tucking it under. Leave it on for about 1 to 2 minutes to let all of the steam absorb into the scalp. Pre-softening the skin and hair will allow the razor to glide more smoothly, and this will minimize the risk for any nicks or irritation. The last step is to apply some shaving gel, and then we're going to massage that in. The safest way to shave a bald head is with this razor right here. It's called a Feather Pro Guard razor. The blades are very sharp. However, those ridges give you protection by acting as a guard, similar to how a guard acts on a clipper blade. Load the blade into the cartridge and you're good to go. So I like to start in the crown area, so I start in the same way that the hair naturally grows. And I'm going to be shaving with the grain initially. After I shave the hair with the grain, I'll then go across the grain or sideways, and this helps give you that against the grain closeness. I'm not using the entire blade either. I'm leading with the point of the razor. This gives me more control and more maneuverability. And I'm doing one section at a time. The reason that I'm leaving the towel on his head is because I don't want that area to dry up. And if you guys see how fast I'm going, this is not sped up. This is how easy and safe it is using this Pro Guard. Obviously, you can still cut the client because it is a razor blade, but the ribs that cover the blade give you a little bit extra protection. And the reason the blade is gliding so smoothly across the head is because we properly prepped the skin beforehand. And what I'm doing right here is filling for any rough patches that I missed, and then I'm going across the grain to get it closer. And this stubble that you see building up on the razor is just an accumulation of the fine hairs. This shows you how close a razor really gets. So the trimmer was not able to grab any of this hair. By the way, you can find this razor and razor holder in the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. All you have to do is click the link in the description. And as you can see, I'm just repeating this process across the entire head. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, these blades are not one-use blades. You can use these multiple times because they are so sharp. However, you have to properly disinfect these before using them on another client. Most razor blades come in a pack of 100 for about $12 to $15. These are about $15 to $20 for only 10 blades. Feather makes expensive blades, however you won't find a blade sharper than this out there. Here I'm going back and putting the finishing touches on the beard. Now one thing I will say, and this is not a bad thing, bald men are extremely particular about their beard. If one hair is out of place, I'm telling you, they're gonna notice. And we just shaved his skin, so I'm gonna apply this vitamin C serum with ferulic acid. And ferulic acid is just an antioxidant found in plant cells. This combined with vitamin C helps to even the skin tone. And then I'm gonna apply some aloe vera to provide a layer of moisture and add a protective layer to his skin. If you guys got value out of this video, Please comment below, subscribe if you're new to this channel. Let me know what you guys think. And yes, I did get that hair off of the back of his neck. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one.